welcome back to the next part where I try and revive this DX7. And for a lot of the keys I've managed to source some online, and that's been really good. There's a good community, but one key I'm struggling to find a replacement for is this top C. And I have glued in the bits of plastic that I could find, but we are still missing quite a bit of it. So one idea I've got is to take a key that's already broken, so this one, and you can see at the front here the tabs have broken off, so this is why the key would sit up high. And what I'm going to do is try and sand or file away the plastic until we kind of get like a powder, and then we can kind of mix that powder with a glue, and then that'll give us like a paste we can kind of play with, almost like a Play-Doh. And then we can shape that onto the key. Hopefully it sticks to the key, and that'll give us a nice temporary repair. The benefit of kind of taking a key means that we're using the same material. It should be the same colour, but you know, we will see. So I've managed to get all of these powder scrapings up, and I'm going to mix in some glue. And this glue doesn't seem the best for this type of experiment. It's very yellow. It does kind of cake up, which makes me think that maybe the size of particles is a bit too big. And yeah, I'm just not really feeling it. I feel like, you know, we've tried to repair it this way, and there's sometimes beauty in a repair, but this just looks a bit wrong. So we're going to resort to plan B. So plan B is, I'm going to do this a little like a dentist, I guess. So I've took a section from a key that's not been, that's broken. And I'm going to grind away a nice shape where we can kind of implant this in. So ideally it'd be almost rectangular, but with like rounded edges. And I'm just going to slowly whittle away with a grinder until it aligns, and then the plan is to glue it. After a while, we've got a shape that's kind of close. So my plan is just to use wood glue, as that's a much better colour. And hopefully it dries in a colour that doesn't stand out too bad. I'm just going to have to leave it till the morning and see what it does. Okay, so here it is. I don't think that's too bad. But we're definitely getting closer to getting this synth back and singing. So stick around.